list of tables, DB schema, dump etc. using the Python sqlite3 API. For some reason I can't find a way to get the equivalence of sqlite's interactive shell commands. Using the Python sqlite3 API. Is there anything like that?
In Python. Watch out for my other answer. There is a much faster way using pandas.
You can fetch the list of tables in Schema by querying the sqlite_master table.
The fastest way of doing this in Python is using pandas of version 0.16 and up. Dump one table. Dump all tables.
I'm not familiar with the Python API, but you can always use.
Here's a short and simple Python program to print out the table names and the column names for those tables. Python 2. Python 3 follows. Edit. I have been getting periodic vote-ups on this, so here is the Python 3 version for people who are finding this answer.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.